Our brothers, we're gonna run a XYZ double post around the building. So Kyle, take your shirt off. Kirk is gonna run around the building. You're basically gonna hit him on the other side of the building. And yeah, just take your shirt off.
Let's go. Let's fucking go.
Boo, 42, say hi! Let's go, baby. Throwing fucking darts, baby. Throwing fucking darts, baby.
Ready for this?
Yeah.
What's going on, guys? We've had a crazy day. We've been doing a lot of random pranks involving catching and sports and action. So today we're gonna go and do some fun stuff. We got a whole day planned out for you. I hope you're having fun. Love you guys. Thank you.
Please, sir. I want some more.
Hey, how's it going, man? There you go. Awesome. You keep the change. Sure. Thanks so much, man. Have a good one. Today we got the world's hottest gummy bear. We got LIL NITRO. On here it says, consumer beware. This is not your ordinary gummy bear. It also says this product is extremely spicy and has the potential to cause skin and or mouth irritation. So we're gonna have fun, we're gonna dig in, and let's go. We're gonna unbox it. Came with a little sticker. And it's in this little package, so you can see right here, it's tiny. It doesn't look that bad, it looks harmless, but I know it's gonna be one of those things that, you know, it's gonna hurt a lot. All right. I'm not looking forward to this, but here we go. You can see how tiny he is.
Three, two, one.
Today we're doing urban football. I don't want to hit your car. Today we're gonna be doing some urban football. Let's fucking go.
All right, brothers, huddle the fuck up. Kyle, you ready to catch some fucking balls?
Let's go. Make sure you follow, like, and subscribe.
Let's fucking go. Run a post around the post.
Catching balls all day like OBJ. Let's fucking go. This is 9 million Scoville units. Just to let you know, it is really hot and it's getting a little hotter. Maybe not the greatest decision I've ever made, but I think we can power through it. It's getting even hotter and hotter, so. Yeah, I don't know. It's like my throat's like tightening up. It's a little hot right now, but I think we'll be able to do it. What's going on? Today, we are gonna catch some eggs from the top of the roof. Let's go.
That was pretty good. So you caught that and it still exploded.
Yeah.
You have to try and cradle it so it doesn't.
Okay, yeah.
Ready?
Whoa! That one off. We're getting one, let's go. Oh, yeah. Yeah, let's That was it, yeah, that was. Oh! That one off. We're getting one, let's go. Yeah.
Oh. Fucking go, boys. Go.
Let's go.
Back your head.
Let's go. We try to catch a couple eggs. Got a little yolk in my pants. Got a little on my hands.
Hey, what it is, man? Cleaning up his mess.